A very good evening, ladies. I hope you guys are all doing good and everybody is doing amazing. And I would request all of you to start your videos and keep your mics on mute. तो आपके लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे दो ऑप्शंस होंगे, माइक और कैमरा का. तो अपना माइक म्यूट रखिए एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट योर कैमरास प्लीज. दैट वुड बी ग्रेट. All right, let's get started. Welcome to Forever Star India, ladies. I hope you guys are all doing good, happy, and of course, nervous, excited for today's audition process. This is your first step into this journey, which I'm sure you're going to take away an experience of lifetime with. So today we begin another positive note where we get to meet, you guys virtually and interact with all of you. So just a reminder for everyone, this is not an exam. ये कोई exam नहीं है. This is just an interaction to see and to know more about all you interesting, unique individuals. So Forever Star India welcomes you with an open heart and is ready to know more about you. And talking about the platform, I am sure आप लोगों का final destination है to win the crown, to be there by hook or crook. But this platform is not just about the crown. We are a community of like-minded women who are talented, passionate, and want to create a unique identity for themselves. So that's how we perceive this, not just as a beauty pageant, but rather a community of women, who are strong, strong-headed for that matter. So thank you so much for bearing out the time today. Let's get started. About Forever Star India season 2021, it was fortunately a huge success where we created a world record of crowning 300 plus winners from across the country. And this year, you guys are going to be the face for season 2022, creating another history and fortunately giving, another record for the country and the world for that matter. So I'm sure it's going to be one fun journey. सबसे पहले तो all of you look stunning and I'm sure there is so much that you have to share, but let me just brief out how the audition process is going to be. So audition का process दो steps में रहेगा. First आपका introduction and second आपकी ramp walk. Please make sure आपका introduction बहुत ही brief और crisp हो. I know there is so much that you want to share, but you should know where to stop, so that the idea that you want to convey does not get muddled up into too much information. Secondly, जो उसमें दो चीजें आपको primarily include करनी है वो है आपकी hobbies and secondly the purpose you are here with. Why do you want to win the crown? And last, आपके सपने की शुरुआत भी आज ही से करेंगे by watching you walk 2 rounds of your ramp walk. So जल्दी में रैंप वॉक नहीं करना है. Be very comfortable. This is your dream and you are the only one responsible for it. So let's start with the process. Of course, now it's time for me to introduce my two leading ladies of Forever Star India, the jury members for today, the two core directors of the team. The first, of course, is Miss Kirti Chaudhary and the boss lady indeed. Second, we have Miss Jaya Chauhan, who's also going to be the guide and shining light for you guys. So I would, now hand over the mic to Kirti ma'am for her to share her piece of wisdom and to make sure that everybody knows what they are here for. Kirti ma'am, welcome on board. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Harry. Hello, everyone, and congratulations for finally making it to today's audition. And I am really excited to see what all of you have in store for today's audition. The process has already been explained by Harry in detail. Now, let me just tell you that today we are not here to judge you on the basis of solely of your performances. We will be judging you on the basis of how passionate you are about being here on this platform. So when you are giving your introduction, make sure you include why are you passionate about being here? What are your hobbies? And how do you think you're winning the crown? By you winning the crown, you can actually make a difference in this society. Second thing, language is not a problem. If you are comfortable speaking in English, then you can very well keep your introduction in English. अगर आप हिंदी में बात करना चाहते हैं और हिंदी में ज़्यादा comfortable हैं बात करने में, तो आप अपना introduction हिंदी में भी रख सकते हैं. The only point here is कि language आप English use करें या हिंदी use करें, लेकिन जो आप convey करना चाहते हैं वो बहुत ही crisp and clear होना चाहिए. Right? Language के चक्कर में वो जो message है वो कहीं miss out ना हो जाए. Because as I said, You will be selected solely on the basis of how passionate you are about being here or about making a difference in this society. So all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. And let's hear these lovely women now. Let's get started. So I'll be switching between two candidates. Sabse pehle, the moment you complete your introduction, you will have 2 minutes time to set your frame for the walk. Kyunki tab tak main dusre candidate ke introduction pe shift ho jaungi. So please be very conscious. And one more important thing, जब भी आप walk करें, it would be great अगर आप music add कर पाएं. And secondly, please make sure you unmute yourself ताकि speaker view आप पे fluctuate हो जाए. All right, so let's get started and let's have Keshavi on board first. Hi Keshavi, how are you?
Hello ma'am, I'm great. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can we please have your introduction?
Sure ma'am. Hello everyone, a very fresh evening to everyone. This is me Keshavi Rathore and I'm currently 15 years old. And I am from the city where people come to pursue their dreams, NEET and IIT, Kota, Rajasthan. I am here in this FSIA to groom myself and to upgrade myself. My hobbies are swimming, dancing, and modeling obviously has been my passion. Talking about why I should win the crown, being a little more genuine and honest, at this point of view, I think I need a little bit grooming and a little bit more things that I need to groom myself, like the nervousness I have sometimes in the auditions. So those things I need to overcome, which I think with the help of FSIA, I would be able to overcome them. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Keshavi. I love, at such a young age, you have so much of clarity and the confidence was exuberating through your, screen presence. And thank you so much for sharing. I'll shift to the one with the username 360 knowledge. आप तब तक अपना frame set कर लीजिए for the ramp walk. Hi, can we please have your mic on, please? Yeah, hi. आपका नाम?
Hello, ma'am. अवंतिका राजपूत.
Hi, अवंतिका जी, कैसी हैं आप?
मैं बढ़िया हूँ, मैम. आप कैसे हो?
बहुत बढ़िया एंड बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पूछने के लिए. प्लीज अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
मेरा नाम अवंतिका राजपूत है. मैं बेसिकली यूपी से बिलोंग करती हूँ, बट मैं करंटली न्यू दिल्ली में रहकर आईएएस की प्रिपरेशन कर रही हूँ. मेरी हॉबीज, मुझे डांस करना पसंद है, नॉवेल्स पढ़ना पसंद है और मॉडलिंग और योगा में इंटरेस्ट है. मैम, मैं महिला सशक्तिकरण के लिए काम करना चाहती हूँ. एज ए यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट मेरा सब्जेक्ट समाजशास्त्र होने के कारण मैं समाज, महिलाओं और परिवार को एक अच्छे तरीके से समझती हूँ और इसके लिए मुझे एक ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म की जरूरत है जहाँ से लोग मेरी बात को समझ सके और मुझे सुने. और मुझे लगता है कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे FSIA का क्राउन जीतकर मिल सकता है. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सो मच अवंतिका. आपका जज्बा दिखा और समझ भी आया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग. आप अपना फ्रेम सेट कर लीजिए फॉर द वॉक. आई शिफ्ट बैक टू केशवी टिल देन. केशवी, आर वी रेडी फॉर द वॉक?
Yes, ma'am.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Thank you, Keshavi. Thank you so much. And I would request Kirti ma'am to comment on your performance.
Hi, Keshavi. How are you?
I'm great, ma'am. Thank you. How are you?
Yes, even I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. So, what do you think? How was your ramp walk? How did you walk?
I think I was good, but there are some things that I need to be better at.
Okay, okay. So, very, very good feedback from your side for yourself. And yes, your ramp walk was good because it was full of confidence, right? We will not be speaking about the technicalities that you missed out on, because you yourself know that, but it was full of confidence. The way you were, playing with your hair, the way you were playing with the ramp, it was amazing. I love that. And secondly, coming to your introduction, so I understand that you are very, very young, and when you were talking about yourself, you kind of prepared your introduction, but somewhere your eye contact was fluctuating, Keshwi. Yeah, so I don't know if you were looking somewhere where you had noted down the pointers or something, but your eye contact was fluctuating. And again, I keep telling everyone that whenever you are here on Zoom and you are appearing for your audition or talking to someone on Zoom, then this camera, which is there either on your laptop or on your phone, you have to make sure that you look towards it. You look towards that camera. Yeah, because only then the jury members will be able to feel that, you are talking to them. You are, telling them about yourself, right? So only one thing, that your eye contact was fluctuating, and eye contact directly, signifies your confidence. So you were confident, but beech beech mein kuch fluctuation ho raha tha. Right. So now just wait for your audition reports, and I'm hoping to see you for the training sessions.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your feedback. And I'll sure work on that.
Thank you, Keshavi. Thank you so much. Let's have Avantika's walk now. Avantika, are we ready? Yeah, आपने
Yes, ma'am.
कर लीजिए.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Avantika. Thank you so much. I would request Jaya to comment on your performance.
Hi, Avantika.
Hello, ma'am. कैसे हो आप?
I am good. How are you?
मैं अच्छी हूँ, मैम. मैम आपको ढूंढ रही हूँ मैं. आप मिल ही नहीं रहे हो मुझे. कहाँ गए?
It's okay. I'm here only. And I'll start with your introduction, which was very calm. When you started, मुझे लगा शायद आप nervous हो, but gradually आपका जो introduction था, it was very calm. And throughout the performance, आप introduction में भी, and even in your ramp walk, you were smiling. So that showed in confidence in your performance, which I really like. Technicalities, definitely we have to improve. But जो आपका, the first performance which you have gave here, I think this is the first audition.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this was really impressive, but I think we can do a lot more with the grooming part. So our trainers will take care of that. Apart from that, you are good to go. All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Avantika. Thank you so much. Let's have Akansha on board. Hi, Akansha. How are you? Akansha, आप म्यूट पे हो. अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. आकांक्षा, आपका माइक ऑफ है. लेफ्ट पे माइक का आइकॉन होगा, उस पे क्लिक करना है आपको.
Hi, I'm Akanksha. I'm from Gwalior and I'm an influencer. And I love dancing, singing. Especially singing is my favorite. And मुझे कभी भी नहीं लगा था कि मैं कभी मॉडलिंग करूँगी, रैप वॉक करूँगी. बट मुझे उसका लगा यार कि नहीं यार, मैं भी ये भी कर सकती हूँ. क्योंकि मैं पहले कुछ टाइम पहले मेरा लोग बहुत मजाक उड़ाते थे इस बात पे कि यार ये बहुत मोटी है, ये तो चल भी नहीं पाएगी, ये डांस कैसे करेगी, ये गाना कैसे गाएगी, ये रैप वॉक कैसे करेगी. बट आफ्टर सम टाइम मुझे खुद को फील हुआ, मैंने अपने आप को इस लायक लाई कि मतलब मैंने अपना वेट बहुत लूज किया है. कम से कम मैंने 15 to 20 kg मैंने अपना वेट लूज किया है.
थैंक यू।
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आपने मुझे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे चुना। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Akansha. Thank you so much. I love the energy that is coming through the screen, and I think I'm थोड़े nervous हो because you're shifting a lot. So I request you to be stable and set your frame for the walk. I'll move to Archie till then. Hi, Archie. How are you?
Hi, I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can we please have your introduction?
Yes, so my name is Aarti Verma. I'm from Bathinda, Punjab. My age is 20 years old. I'm a student of 12th grade. My hobbies include dancing, playing badminton, basketball, and modeling, of course. So this is my first time I'm participating in such beauty contest, and I hope I'll be the best among the best. Also, I would realize that the Sushmita said, ma'am, that हम किसी से क्या मांगे ये हमें मंजूर नहीं, मांगे फिर कितना से किसका भला होता है, जिसने डी में लिखा है वो जरूर अदा होता है. Last but not the least, I want to win this crown because I want to make this mindset in society that girls are more stronger than boys, not more stronger, but yeah, they can compete them in any field, any profession. Still, there's a lot of discrimination in society that girls can't do anything. They can't do anything. They are lesser than boys. But no, I want to make this a mentality in society that yeah, they are more stronger. They can compete them. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Archie. Thank you so much. And that was one lovely introduction. I would request you to set your frame for the walk while I move back to Akansha for a ramp walk. Akansha, are we ready? अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए and you can start with your walk. Thank you, Akansha. Thank you. I know आपका बिल्कुल मन नहीं है रुकने का, but हमें आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. So thank you so much. I would request Kirti ma'am to comment.
Hi Akansha, कैसे हो?
अच्छी हूँ मैं, आप कैसे हो मैम?
मैं भी बहुत अच्छी हूँ. अच्छा, एक तो ये आपका आई थिंक रूम बिल्कुल ही खाली है, इसलिए आपकी वॉइस बहुत ज्यादा एको कर रही है. ठीक है, और कुछ एनर्जी मतलब आप में नॉर्मली ही इतनी ज्यादा रहती है या आज कुछ डिफरेंट है?
सॉरी मैं सुन नहीं पाई.
एनर्जी आप में हमेशा ही इतनी रहती है या आज कुछ अलग बात है? ये नर्वसनेस की वजह से हो रहा है या नॉर्मली भी आप इतने हाइपर? या
मुझे नर्वसनेस की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा अजीब सा होता है.
ओके, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. तो मैं समझ गई थी आकांक्षा, जब हम नर्वस होते हैं तो हम यही करते हैं. द वे यू मूविंग, यू नॉट वेरी स्टेबल. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा मूव कर रहे हो और आपकी वॉक में भी वो पता चल रहा था. बट देयर इज वन मोर थिंग, जिस तरीके से आपने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, बहुत ही पॉजिटिविटी आप रेडिएट कर रहे थे. राइट, यू वर साउंडिंग वेरी जेन्युइन. ठीक है, आप बहुत ही जो चीज आप बिल्कुल मीन करते हो वही बोल रहे थे, लेकिन जब आप बोल रहे थे तो वो एनर्जी इतनी ज्यादा थी कि ऐसे लग रहा था कि आप ओवर एक्साइटेड हो रखे हैं. राइट, सो उसके लिए हमें जरूरत है कि हमारी एनर्जी को एक सही डायरेक्शन मिले. किस डायरेक्शन में यूज करना है। जैसे जब आप वॉक कर रहे थे तो आपका हैंड मूवमेंट बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा था, राइट? तो वो आपका हैंड मूवमेंट थोड़ा सा सटल होना चाहिए। जो आप वॉक कर रहे हो, क्रिस क्रॉसिंग बहुत ज्यादा हो रही थी लेग्स की, उसको भी थोड़ा सा सटल करना पड़ेगा। सो उसके लिए आई एम श्योर आपको आइडिया होगा कि हमारे पास ट्रेनर्स हैं जो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करने में हेल्प करेंगे कि आपकी शॉर्टकमिंग्स या कहाँ पे कमी है, राइट? और एनर्जी को हम कैसे एक सही डायरेक्शन में लेके जा सकते हैं। सो माय बेस्ट विशेस आर देयर विद यू. If you get selected, the trainers are going to help you in doing that. Thank you.
Thank you, Akanksha. Let's move to Archie's walk. Archie, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Thank you, Archie. Thank you so much. And I would request Jaya to take over and comment on your performance.
Hi, Archie. How are you? First of all, you look super gorgeous,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
your
Very good as well.
okay. So your introduction was nice, I think, but still there are a lot of things which you can add. But definitely, our groomers and experts will be helping you to explore yourself, which you can add for the next time, you know, in the introduction, where people can connect more. And yes, as you said that, you know, you want to inspire women and get an equality for everyone. Nobody is stronger than, you know, anybody. I'd say everyone is equal. But whenever we are coming in a platform and having a voice to inspire other women, we should have an identity which the platform will be providing you if you get selected. So I'll say all the very best to you, and wait for your audition report card. I love your rap walk too, because you have done a lot of posing that showed that you are very much confident. So I like the performance. All the very best.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot.
Thank you, Archie. Thank you. Let's have Jyoti ji now. Hi, Jyoti. How are you? ज्योति जी आप म्यूट पे हैं, प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can we please have your introduction?
Yeah, I'm Jyoti Madhav. I'm from Bangalore, Karnataka. Yeah, I am an entrepreneur. I have my own business of apparels, and I do have a Women of Wonders group in Facebook. And about my hobbies, I love dancing, acting. About acting, I am into Tiki videos, and I've done good job there. I have 71,000 followers, and in Insta also I do reels. I love doing reels and acting. And about this competition, I just wanted to see where I stand, and I want to compete with myself first and see where I stand. And if at all I win, I will be feel happy, as well as I'll be a good example for a married woman, where she can have the confidence to come and participate in such competitions. I want to encourage ladies like me and my friends who should come up and take up such competitions and enjoy.
Thank you, Jyoti. I completely agree. You know, it's so inspiring to see women like you who are ready to make a change and encourage others, because you ladies prove that age is just a number. Thank you so much. And I will request you to set your frame for the walk while I move to Anju Sharma ji. Hi, Anju ji. How are you? अंजू जी आप म्यूट पे हैं, लेफ्ट पे आपके एक माइक का आइकॉन होगा, प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए।
Hi, ma'am.
कैसी हैं आप?
I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can we please have your introduction?
Yeah, ma'am. My name is Anju Sharma. I'm 55 years of age, and I have already participated in a pageant and won title of Mrs. Delhi NCR and beautiful hairs. And I think that age is just a number, and the show must go on. And I'm also a jewelry designer, a social worker, food blogger, and a dog lover also. And I want to participate by all my heart in this competition to see where I stand. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anjali. Thank you. And I must say, is there anything that you don't know? You have pretty much done it all, and you're still ready to explore opportunities. Thank you so much, and I'm sure you're going to set a great example for everyone on board today and for your coming generations as well. And I would now, request you to set your frame for the walk. I will.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Jyoti, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No need of the
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much. I would now request ma'am to take over.
Hello, hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Jyoti. Thank you so much. I would now
not able to hear you. Hello.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Am I audible now?
No, actually not completely. 1 minute. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it better?
No. Okay, a little bit I'm able to hear you, but not clear.
Okay, thank you so much, Jyoti ji, for performing. I would request Kirti ma'am to comment on your performance.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Jyoti. Can you hear me?
Yes, very low, but I am able to hear you. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll scream a little. मैं थोड़ा सा चिल्ला के बात करती हूँ आपके साथ, so that you can hear what I say. First of all, you look lovely in that red dress. Did you hear that?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, you look lovely in that red dress. I love your hair. I love your confidence. When you spoke about yourself, you were very, very calm, right? And I think that comes naturally to all entrepreneurs, because you have to handle so much. You have to handle so many people. So you automatically become so patient, yeah? So
thank you, ma'am.
Yes, I agree. You are already an inspiration when you are, managing your work, you're managing your home. So, that actually today, it's the most difficult task to do, managing your professional and your personal life, especially when you are an entrepreneur, when you are, managing your own work,
yes.
Right? So you said, I want to inspire women. So people around you must already feel so proud of you right now. And secondly,
yes.
when you said, that I want to set an example for women, that we can do it all. I want to explore. And you said a very important thing, that the competition is with myself, it's not with anyone else. Yeah, so that's
True.
what the motto of this platform is. We are not going to compare you with each other. It's only about you, right? We are all individual entities, and what all traits we have, our characteristics, no one else can have it. Yeah, we cannot have another Jyoti on this planet.
We have lots of capacity to do what we can do. We don't know, so we should keep on exploring the things. That's the reason I'm here today.
True. No, I just love your motto, that why are you here. Secondly, your walk was good because you were enjoying it thoroughly. Yeah. So whatever
And
we do, when we enjoy it, the other person who's actually, you know, watching it starts enjoying it too. Yeah, but technically speaking, there were you know, a lot of things which I could change if I could. But then, of course, my team of experts will be able to help you better. And I'm sure you are open to learning when you say that I'm here to
yes,
explore. So if
yes,
I'm
yes,
able to see you in the
absolutely.
training sessions, these trainers are going to help you for sure. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you. I
Thank you.
request Anju ji to start with her walk.
Yes, ma'am. Shall I start my walk?
Yes, yes, you can.
Yes. Going to start, ma'am. Just a minute.
Thank you, Anju ji. Thank you so much. And I would request Jaya to comment.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, Anjuji.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
You look very lovely. Your hair is lovely, I must say.
Thank you.
And yeah, your performance was really good. You know, the calmness and the experience which you bring there, that was really nice. Introduction was good too. And definitely ramp walk आप already कर चुके हैं, which I like. But बहुत सारी जो technical things है, you know, the virtual presentation part, उस पे अभी हमें थोड़ा वर्क करने की जरूरत है. So definitely our trainers will take care. I hope you bring a lot of experience here for the other people and you explore in this journey. So all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Anju ji. Thank you. Let's
Thank
have
you,
Veer.
ma'am.
Hi, Veer. How are you?
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. कैसे हैं आप?
Yeah, I'm well. I'm great. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can we please have an introduction?
Yeah, I'm 39 years old. I have two kids, two sons, and my hometown is Uttarakhand from Dehradun. I'm from Dehradun. I'm married in Jaipur, and nowadays I'm doing job. I'm a teacher and doing also running a Zumba class and having a yoga classes, and I'm having a very positive attitude and spreading positive attitudes with each and everyone, and wants to stand and wants to do more in society. Like I'm just thinking, if I have a single life, this time having a single life, I want to do more like within few years or within few can say within 40 50s we will be diminished, we will be exhausted. So I want to prove myself and want to do more and to present myself. This is also.
Thank you so much, Veer. Thank you. That was one very well curated introduction. I really appreciate it. And I would now request you to set your frame for the walk while I move to Prashansa till then. Hi, Prashansa.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Prashansa, you are audible. How are you? Prashansa, आपका आवाज बीच में जा रहा है, then it's partially audible.
Ma'am, shall I rejoin? I
think it's good now. Can we start? Try speaking something. It's breaking a little. You can rejoin. I'll shift to you in the, in some time. You try rejoining.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you. Let's have Galaxy Note 10 Night. Can you please unmute yourself and tell me your name?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Can you please tell me your name?
Yes, ma'am.
आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ?
Hi, ma'am. I'm Shashmita Mohanty.
Sharmila, right?
Shashmita Mohanty.
Sharmita Mohanty. Okay, Sharmita ji, please start with your introduction.
Yes, thank you. Hi, I'm Shashmita Mohanty. I'm from Odisha. I'm a housemaker. And my hobbies are like I like to dancing, modeling, and listening music, and making new friends. And I would like to participate in this platform because this first one is my father's ways कि तू ये बन जा मतलब मुझे एक्चुअली बचपन से ही था कि एक मुझे मॉडल बनना था तो घर पे सबने रोका कि नहीं बन सकती नहीं ये कर सकती क्योंकि आई बिलोंग टू ए स्मॉल टाउन so this is why I'm here because I want to explore Indian women who comes from a small town कि उन्हें ये नहीं कर सकती है वो नहीं कर सकती है तू तो ब्राउनी है तू तो शॉर्ट हेड है तू तो फैट है ये सब इश्यूज होते हैं यहाँ पे तो मैं ये सब ये जो शट माइंड सेटअप है इन पीपल्स की तो मैं इन सबको मतलब चेंज करना चाहती हूँ एक्सप्लोर करना चाहती हूँ कि हम लोग सब कुछ कर सकते हैं कुछ इश्यूज नहीं होते मॉडलिंग करने के लिए हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं मतलब कुछ हाइट की इश्यूज नहीं होते कुछ कलर की इश्यूज नहीं होते हैं तो यही सब है so this is the platform to gives us our voice our choices and makes us strong and independent by itself so this is why
Makes absolute sense, Sharmita. Thank you so much for sharing. And आप बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो because you know these are our natural attributes. हमारी height, हमारी age, हमारी color, हमारा you know background, हमारी journey हमारे control में नहीं होती है. These are our natural attributes, right? And they are beautiful as they are. And I'm sure ये चीजें आपके talent को define नहीं करती हैं. This is for everyone, I'm sure. You know, usually standard model height 5'6" consider की जाती है, but FCR takes immense pride in being a very inclusive platform because जैसे कि मैंने कहा नहीं matter करता है कि आपका color क्या है, you know, आपकी shape क्या है, आपका size क्या है. The only thing that matters here is how talented you are and how passionate you are. Thank you so much for bringing up the topic. It takes a lot of courage to, you know, share about your insecurity publicly. I appreciate it. You can set your frame for the walk. I'll shift back to Veer for her ramp walk. Veer, are we ready? Please अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए.
I'm not having music, but still can walk. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Veer. Thank you so much. I would request Kirti ma'am to comment.
Yeah.
Hi, Veer. How are you?
I'm great, ma'am.
कैसा मौसम है देहरादून में? Are you in Dehradun right now?
Yeah.
Okay, because it's really hot here. जहाँ से मैं बैठ के audition ले रही हूँ यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है. So you know, I was thinking कि देहरादून में कितना pleasant weather.
Must come. Most welcome.
Okay. So let's see. हम कोई अपना event देहरादून में भी कर पाएं. And now coming to a feedback for you. आपका जो introduction था and अभी जो आपका walk है, so introduction में I don't know आप बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे confident नहीं लगे. आपके पास बहुत कुछ था बोलने के लिए.
Yeah, actually,
बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बोल सकते थे. Do you feel so?
I know. Actually, what happened at the moment you say my name, at the same moment my second alarm was just blinking from there. it was ringing, and it just confused my mind, and my mind all goes there in the alarm. Alarm started from there. Yeah, what can I do? But literally later on, will be best with. Good for you.
Okay, never mind. That's what I felt. That's what I felt.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Okay, and आपका walk भी बहुत average था. उसमें हम काफी improvement अभी कर सकते हैं. But overall अगर देखा जाए तो आप काफी capable हो. You are open to learning, and अगर हमारे trainers काम करें तो आपकी personality में काफी improvement आ सकता है. So just keep your fingers crossed, and let's see. Let's wait for your
audition. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Veer. Thank you. Let's have Sharmita's walk now. Sharmita, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ji, you can start.
Can I start, ma'am? Can I start, ma'am?
You can start. Thank you, Sharmita. Thank you so much. I would request Jaya to comment.
Hi, Sharmita.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you. And how are you?
I am doing well. And after hearing your introduction, I think I'm doing much more better because see, already you have broke the stereotype of community. I understand, it happens in the villages, the small places where modeling and everything is considered as something which is not good in the industry, I'll say. But as you can see in this platform, we all are women here, and you are at a very safe place, and you have already taken this hardest step. So, you are good to go. You have the passion enough, you're passionate enough to work on yourself. So that's commendable. We only need the passion. Rest will be taken care by our trainers and groomers. So all the very best, and thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sharmita. Thank you so much. Let's try another introduction with Prashansa. Prashansa is back. Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Extremely sorry for that.
No problem. Technical glitches are something out of control always. Please continue with your introduction.
So, everyone, I'm Prashansa Sharma from Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. I'm 18 years old and I'm pursuing my graduation from Chandigarh. I'm very much fond of dancing and I love reciting poems. Like, I'm a poet. I write on my own also. Secondly, why I wanted to participate was because my mother always supported me. So yes, she wanted me to be a part of this show because unke kisi ne participate kiya tha. So from there she learned it. I don't know what was the story behind, but yes, she wanted me to be there. So for her smile, I'm here. Thank you.
Okay, that's wonderful, Prashansa. And it's so good, that you're ready to fulfill your own desires while, channeling it through your mother's. I want to just ask one thing. If you had to choose between poetry and modeling, what would be it? I know that's a hard question. Sorry?
Modeling for sure, ma'am. I'm so much into that entertainment industry. I love it.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing. And you can set your frame for the walk. I'll move to Neerja till then. Hi, Neerja. How are you?
हेलो मैम, गुड इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग, कैसी हैं आप?
मैं अच्छी हूँ मैम, आई एम गुड। व्हाट अबाउट यू?
आई एम गुड टू, थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग। कैन वी प्लीज हैव योर इंट्रोडक्शन?
श्योर मैम। कहते हैं किसी चीज को अगर शिद्दत से चाहते हैं तो पूरी कायनात उसको दिलाने में जुट जाती है। आई एम निर्जा फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद, मदर ऑफ 2 kids and a primary teacher. A very determined, energetic, and passionate. I love modeling as it was a collegehood dream, I would say, not a childhood, because the lights, the cameras, the ramp walk, the stage, the claps, everything attracted me. And I'm a stage theater dancer also. I have taught many foreigners in Spain. I have done 2-3 charity shows also. So I'm here to fulfill my collegehood dreams, to have this sparkling crown on my forehead. Thank you.
Thank you, Nirja. Thank you so much. You can set your frame for the walk. I'll shift back to Prashansa till then. Prashansa, are we ready?
चल रही है पता नहीं
That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Prashansa. Thank you. And also, I wanted to compliment your name. It's quite beautiful and interesting. I would request Kirti ma'am to take over and comment.
Hi, Prashansa. How are you, baby?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
Even I'm doing great. And you are so young. And the way you spoke about yourself, I'm super impressed. And when you said that, I will be choosing modeling and not poetry, so I was like, okay, let's see how she works. But when you worked, it was amazing. No doubt why you chose modeling. You are truly passionate about it, Prashansa. And 101%, you are going to be there for the training and grooming sessions.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you so much, Prashansa. Let's have Nirja ji's walk. Are we ready, Nirja? Thank you, Nirja ji. Thank you so much. I would request Jaya to take over.
Hi, Nirja ji.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good. Now I'm good.
Yeah, exam khatam ho gaya aapka. So first of all, I'll start with this introduction part, which was very calm and beautiful. But starting में मुझे ऐसा लगा that you were hesitating. I don't know why, but you are such confident lady. आपने already काफी कुछ achieve कर लिया है, so I don't think there is anything to hesitate about. But I understand it happens. So yeah, the trainers will be taking care of that. Apart from that, your ramp walk was super impressive, I'll say. Because when you walked, I think मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आपने 3-4 घंटे अच्छे से preparation करी है वो एक line में चलने की, which I really liked. So all the very best. जो आपके hand movements है, leg movements है, उस पे अभी और अच्छे से work करने की जरूरत है. So just wait for your audition report card. Thank you.
Thank you.
Performance reviews updated there and.
Thank you, Nirja ji. Thank you so much. Let's move forward to Sonal Sharma ji. Hi, Sonal. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can you please start with your introduction?
Yeah, I am 37 years old. I'm from Dehradun. I'm a working woman. I am doing my own business of handloom and handicraft here only. Apart from that, I'm doing social work. I have two kids, two beautiful daughters, and both of them are studying. I'm here to tell my daughters that apart from my business, I can do another things too because they think I can do only my business. So that's why I'm here. And prove myself to others too that a female can do many things apart from their homework and the business and the kids. That's why I'm here.
Absolutely, absolutely. Women can do multiple things, and I'm so glad that you are here to set an example and become an inspiration for your own daughters. Thank you so much for sharing. I will now move to Selena for her introduction. You can set your frame for the walk.
Okay, ma'am.
Hi, Selena. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. How are you? I'm fantastic as always.
I am good. Thank you for asking. Can we please have your introduction?
Sure, ma'am. A very good evening and greetings to all the beautiful people who is present over here. I'm Salina Chauhan from the Heritage City, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I'm 24 years old. I'm an MBA student, HR executive by profession in one of the renowned company, Motilal Oswal, and fashion enthusiast, you can say, by passion. My hobbies are dancing, singing, and much more. A determinant, ambitious, charismatic, and trustworthy. These words can define my journey of my life. I'm pioneer of my life. And the reason I stand here is to embrace the humanhood and gear up my achievements and dream from this platform, which is helping me to put my idealized version of femininity, you can say, on the stage. At last, my ultimate goal is to serve the society. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Selena. Thank you so much. I would, request you to set your frame for the walk while I move back to Sonal ji for a ramp walk. Sonal, are we ready?
Actually, there is some electricity issues here.
No problem. You're pretty visible, so I think we'll be good to go.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sonal. Thank you. I would request Kirti ma'am to take over.
Hi, Sonal. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, even I am doing great. And आपके पास स्पेस की थोड़ी सी कमी है, फिर भी आपने वॉक किया, तो मुझे अच्छा लगा ये देख के कि आपने इसका कोई एक्सक्यूज नहीं बनाया कि मेरे पास स्पेस थोड़ा सा कम है, मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगी. यू डिड इट. टेक्निकली अभी आपकी वॉक पे काफी काम किया जा सकता है, सोनल. एंड व्हेन आई कम टू योर इंट्रोडक्शन, you said that you have two beautiful daughters, and I want to prove that not only the household chores, we as women can do a lot of other things too. So I'm sure आप already अपना खुद का काम कर रहे हो, जैसा कि अभी आपने बताया, and I'm sure आप वहीं पे हो अभी जहाँ पे आप काम करते हैं खुद का. तो उसके लिए भी वो बहुत प्राउड होंगी, क्योंकि हाउसहोल्ड काम के साथ साथ अपना काम संभालना मुझे लगता है कि सबसे डिफिकल्ट चीज है इस दुनिया की, और वो सिर्फ आप खुद ही समझ सकते हो, राइट? नो वन एल्स कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट. जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर मैनेजिंग इट, ओनली यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ यू डूइंग इट. सो अभी भी सब लोग आप पे बहुत प्राउड फील करते होंगे. And this initiative that you have taken, that you are trying to be a part of a huge community where women are supporting each other, inspiring each other, I'm sure you are going to go a long way. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sonal. Thank you so much. Let's have Selena's walk now. Selena, are we ready? Please अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए. Rest your frame is good.
Just a minute. Thank you.
Thank you, Selena. Thank you. I would request Jaya to take over.
Hi, Selena. Selena, you have to unmute yourself.
Sorry. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
So I'll start with this introduction part, which I really liked. You were very energized while, speaking about yourself, very much confident also. The part was very amazing. So I thought that, the ramp walk is going to be more than that, which I'll say he didn't show in the ramp walk. I think there is a lot of things which we can improve because we have a lot of trainers who can guide you in this process. So all the very best from my side. Yeah. And I think one, because you were not wearing the perfect heels also, because whenever you are doing the ramp walk, you have to wear stilettos. So might be that was the, kami in your ramp walk, but it's okay. I think you're good to go. You have a good profile. I'll see you in the training session. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Selena. Thank you so much. I'll move forward to Renuka ji. Hi, Renuka. How are you? Renuka, can you please start your video and audio?
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Great. Please start कीजिए.
मैम मेरा नाम रेणुका नामा है. मैं जयपुर से हूँ और मेरी ग्रेजुएट कंप्लीट हो चुकी है और इन प्रेजेंट मेरा एमए फाइनल के एग्जाम की मैं प्रिपरेशन कर रही हूँ. मेरी हॉबी डांसिंग, सिंगिंग एंड बुक्स रीडिंग की है. मुझे डांस बहुत पसंद है. सॉरी मैम, थोड़ा सा हेजिटेशन हो रहा है, बहुत डर सा लग रहा है फर्स्ट टाइम मैं, इस वजह से.
कोई बात नहीं, आपको हेजिटेट नहीं करना है रेणुका. आप बहुत प्यारे लग रहे हो. यू ट्राइंग टू टॉक, दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स. आप कोशिश कर रहे हो. दिस इज मोर देन ब्यूटीफुल दैट इट एवर कुड बी. सो आप मुझे बताओ, आप क्राउन क्यों जीतना चाहते हो?
एक्चुअली मैम, सब में अपना इंटरेस्ट होता है कि कोई बिजनेस करना चाहता है या कोई खिलाड़ी बनना चाहता है. तो मुझे लगता है मेरा इंटरेस्ट है मॉडलिंग में. इस वे में है मेरा इंटरेस्ट, तो मैं इसलिए इस वे में जाना चाहती हूँ. और इसमें ऐसा होता है कि कई लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि ये सब जो मॉडलिंग है, ये ज़्यादा काम की नहीं है, मतलब तुम पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो. तो इस वे में मैं थोड़ी सी लोगों की सोच बदलना चाहती हूँ. बस इसीलिए मैं
Thank you so much. See, कर लिया आपने बताया कि आप क्या चाहते हो, and that's beautiful, Thank you so much, and I would move to Arpita ji till then. Hi Arpita, how are you? आप अपना फ्रेम सेट कर लीजिए रेणुका.
ओके मैम.
अर्पिता आप म्यूट पे हैं.
हेलो मैम.
कैसी हैं आप?
गुड इवनिंग.
गुड
इवनिंग मैम. मैं अच्छी हूँ.
ग्रेट. प्लीज अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
आप कैसी हैं?
बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पूछने के लिए. प्लीज अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
जी मैम, मैं अर्पिता चाणक हूँ और मैं 41 इयर्स की हूँ. मैं कोलकाता वेस्ट बंगाल से बिलोंग करती हूँ. मेरी 2 बच्चे हैं, मतलब 2 लड़के हैं. एक क्लास 10 में पढ़ता है तो एक 2 में पढ़ता है. और मेरे हस्बैंड जो हैं वो इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में काम करते हैं. और मेरी हॉबीज है, मतलब डांसिंग, सिंगिंग, ये तो मेरे भी है. मैं ड्राइंग करना पसंद करती हूँ, मतलब कलर से खेलना मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. और सबसे बढ़िया जो है मेरे को फिटनेस, मतलब फिटनेस से बहुत ज्यादा प्यार है मैम. क्योंकि मैं नॉर्मल एक हाउसवाइफ हूँ. 16 साल तक मैंने अपने हाउस को दिया है, मतलब फैमिली को दिया है, जहाँ पे मैं सिंगल 1 डे अपने लिए कुछ नहीं किया कभी. मतलब मैं अपना रास्ता भी क्रॉस कभी अकेले नहीं की थी. तो मतलब इसमें जाते ही तो मेरे को एक मतलब बीमारी पकड़ लिया मेरे को, जिसके वजह से मैंने फिटनेस को अपनाया. और फिटनेस को अपनाते हुए जो मैंने अब मतलब आज जो मेरे को देख रही हैं वो फिटनेस के थ्रू ही है. मैं ऐसी नहीं थी. मेरा जो बदलाव अब दिख रहा है ये सिर्फ फिटनेस से आया है, तो मैं इसी से लेके काम करती हूँ। और मैं एक प्रॉपर मतलब पर्सनल फिटनेस ट्रेनर बन चुकी हूँ अभी। और मैं मेरे जैसे जितने भी वोमेन्स हैं, मैं उन लोगों को फिट करना चाहती हूँ, मेरे जैसा बनाना चाहती हूँ। यही है मेरा गोल। और मैं इसमें आना इसीलिए चाहती हूँ मैम, कि मैं आगे जाके एक प्लेटफॉर्म मेरे को चाहिए, क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ सुनने वाला, मेरे को जो मतलब मेरे जो आसपास के जो लोग हैं, अगर मैं उनको कुछ बोलूं, बस समझाऊं कि इसमें आप आओ और अपने आप को खूबसूरत बनाना। मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर वुमेन जो मैरिड है और ज्यादातर जिनका एज हो चुके हैं, वो उन लोग अपने आप को सोचते हैं कि लाइफ में और कुछ बचा नहीं है, हम लोगों का सब खत्म हो रहा है। तो वो जो उनका जो वो चेंज करना चाहती हूँ मैम। मैं जैसे मैंने खुद को चेंज किया है, मैं जो हैप्पी रहती हूँ, मेरे आसपास के सब माहौल खुश में हो जाता है, मेरे बच्चे, मेरे फैमिली, सब लोग खुश रहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से तो मैं भी चाहती हूँ उन लोगों को भी मेरे तरह बने और मैं उनको बना सकूँ। तो तब तक ये हो पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता है मैम, जब तक मेरे को एक प्लेटफॉर्म ना मिले और मेरे को लोग पहचाने ना, तो मैं उनको लिए जो बताना चाहती हूँ वो लोग मेरे को लेंगे नहीं उस तरह से। तो इसीलिए मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं इसमें आऊँ और पार्टिसिपेट करूँ और मैं जीतूं, क्योंकि मैं उन सबके लिए काम करना चाहती हूँ मैम। और मैं खुद को भी अपने आगे लेके जाना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू अर्पिता जी। आपने बहुत प्यारे तरीके से समझाया कि आप यहाँ क्यों आना चाहते हो, एंड आई एम श्योर यू गोना टेक अवे अ यूनिक आइडेंटिटी फॉर योरसेल्फ. So I'll request you to set your frame for the walk while I move back to Renuka. Renuka, are we ready for the walk?
Okay ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Renuka. I would request Jaya to comment.
Hi, Renuka.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. First of all, I would like to give you an advice because आपका जो introduction था, I know you were very hesitant, but जब भी आप अगली बार अपना introduction दें, you will be groomed by the experts if you get selected, but you have to prepare more. You know, when you're giving the introduction, आप अपना mirror के सामने you try and speak about yourself and add the key point जिससे कि आपका introduction connecting लगे and interesting लगे. So you have to work a lot more on that. So all the very best from my side. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Renuka. Thank you so much. Let's have Arpita's walk now. Arpita, are we ready?
मैम मैं दिख सकती हूँ यहाँ
जी जी, आप दिख रहे हो, आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो.
Done, ma'am.
Thank you, Arpita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, Arpita.
चल बाहर तो चल.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. And you?
I am good too. I loved your confidence, I'll say. And I think
Yes,
you
thank
are
you.
more capable than this, because आपका जो introduction था, it was it stretched too long. Whenever you're speaking about yourself, you impress the people. But when you're speaking about yourself, you have to make sure that it is very much of crisp, brief, and interesting. So I
Okay, ma'am.
think when our groomers and trainers will be guiding you through this process, you will be able to grasp the knowledge and work more on that. So all the very best. But the ramp walk part, which I really like, because in ramp walk, it was total a transformation. You were very much confident in the ramp walk. So all the
Thank you,
very best
ma'am.
from my side. We'll work on the technicalities. Thank you.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Arpita. Let's have Nikki now, the most patient candidate so far. Hi, Nikki. Finally, आपकी बारी आ गई. How are you?
Yeah, ma'am, great. And what about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can you please have your introduction?
Yeah, ma'am. Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. I am Nikki Chandwani. I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I am doing my graduation in BCom field. And regards to my hobbies, I really love to do dancing, making videos, and traveling also. And I have to come this platform. I want to become a proud from. I have to become a proud for my parents, and I have a dream. I was child. I had to become a superstar, and I have to become a perfect model or actor. And so I choose this field. I will do my work, all my heart and soul. So it's all about me. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nikki. Thank you. आपने बहुत cutely अपने पूरा version explain किया. I would request you to start with your ramp walk directly, because I don't have anyone to switch you with. तो आप सीधा start कर सकते हो.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, just a minute.
Thank you, Nikki. Thank you so much. I would request Jaya to comment on your performance.
Hi, Nikki. Nikki, you have to unmute yourself.
Okay. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Yes, I'm fine. And what about you, ma'am?
I am doing good. When you started with an introduction, definitely you were nervous, but there was a 360-degree, transformation in the ramp walk, which was very confident. I really liked your ramp walk. And from next time when you give your introduction, just add some points, like why are you here, and make the sequence. So that's how it will help you in providing a clarity about your introduction. But apart from that, I think you're good to go. If you get good grooming by the experts, then you're good to improve yourself. So all the very best from my side. And first of all, I'll just congratulate all of you for completing this hardest step. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much. And of course, congratulations to each one of you. This brings us to the end. And now let's talk about the platform. सबसे पहले तो congratulations to all of you for completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. This is just a beginning, because let's appreciate it takes a lot of courage to come on the screen and talk about yourself and give an introduction. बहुत easy लगता है कहना, it's just an introduction, but अपने बारे में absolute strangers से बात करना is as difficult as anything. So appreciating all of you right here, right away. Now let's switch to what happens after your auditions, all of those details, because next you will be becoming an official participant of Forever Star India. So I'll be playing a video, sharing a screen. ये video आप YouTube पे भी access कर पाओगे, but I request you all to be stable and make sure you hear us out so that you take away a proper clarity of what holds into the future. So I'm sharing the video right away.
First of all, congratulations to everyone for completing this hardest step. As I always say, first step is always the hardest, and you have completed that. To appreciate your hard work and provide a review to all the audition process, we are going to send you an audition report card in next 24 to 48 hours probably, and that audition report card is valid for the lifetime. Yes, a validity with lifetime, as the whole performance review is updated there, and this works with the two key points, I would say. Firstly, if you have been selected or not selected, you have a clarity on the report card that why you have been selected and why you have not been selected. Where are you standing?
Harry, is there some voice problem? I cannot hear. Some sound problem is there.
Just a second. Is it better now?
To a transparency of the performance review. And as I've talked about the lifetime validity of this audition certificate, because some of you are, participated in Miss Teen India, Miss India. So when you come again for the audition process for Forever Star India in any upcoming year, you don't have to audition ever again, because this audition report card holds a validity of the lifetime. So that's how you get the validity from Forever Star India for not giving any audition in the upcoming process or upcoming time for any other projects of Miss India, Miss Teen India, and Mrs. India. Now, let's talk about what happens after you clear your audition and get all the benefits of the participation. I would request Harry to provide you the details of the participation benefit. Over to you, Harry.
So let's talk about what happens after you clear your auditions and what happens next, of course. Because I'm sure आप लोग जानना चाहोगे कि audition के बाद की journey कैसे होने वाली है. So सबसे पहले you will be clearing your participation process for all those who will be successfully completing and clearing their auditions. So participation process के बहुत सारे benefits रहने वाले हैं. सबसे पहला और key benefit होगा आपकी lifetime membership. Now, lifetime membership is a very exciting term because even, for any brand or any mall that you sign up for, you receive a message of every offer, every discount that there is. Imagine एक ऐसे platform से lifetime membership मिलना जो A, बहुत secure है, and secondly is full of opportunities when it comes to your talent. So yes, एक एग्जांपल दूंगी, जैसे कि हमारा खुद का FCR exclusive ऐप बहुत ही जल्द लॉन्च होने जा रहा है, where you will be able to interact and showcase your skills directly to professionals from all over the country and see and learn from their expertise as well directly. And that is where networking comes into the picture. Not only that, lifetime membership will ensure कि आप इस platform से generate हुई हर opportunity को directly access कर पाओगे, जैसे कि last year के काफी candidates और participants कर पा रहे हैं. So moving on, what happens after you clear the lifetime membership? What happens after you receive it? The second major benefit is the unique identity that you all have, distinctively talked about. Because I know, zariya alag-alag hai, aap logon ki khwaishein alag-alag hai, but the final destination is one. The destination is अपनी एक पहचान बनाना, अपनी एक, अलग पहचान बनाना that लोग मुझे मेरे नाम से जाने. And that is one common factor between all of you today who have auditioned. I'm sure you all agree to it. अब ये जो wish है आपकी, ये किस तरह fulfill की जाएगी? I'm not just going to talk about it. I'll show you how it works. So, आप में से कितने लोगों ने अपना नाम कभी गूगल किया होगा? हम यूजुअली नहीं करते because हमें लगता है that there is still time for us to reach there. Imagine आप अपना नाम गूगल करें and your profile, your FCR profile ranks on the top. So यहाँ पे हम अंकिता शेट्टी का नाम गूगल सर्च कर रहे हैं and you can have a look कि उनकी जो FCR की प्रोफाइल है वो टॉप पे शो हो रही है. Now there can be thousands of Ankita Shetties in the country or in the world, but Google पे सबसे ऊपर उनका नाम दिख रहा है. और ये प्रोफाइल अगर आपने बहुत गौर से देखा हो, because आप सबकी प्रोफाइल्स बन चुकी हैं. So these profiles are not just about your pictures or photographs. These are unique profiles which highlight your achievements to make sure that आपका नाम कोई भी Google search करेगा तो it will rank on the top. We are searching 2 more candidates, Naomi Ribeiro and Dippy Jain. ये हमारे last year के winners थे. And just to remind you, ये benefit सिर्फ winners के लिए नहीं है. This will be for every participant जो successfully अपना participation process clear कर लेगा. 20 to 25 days के अंदर आपकी profile इस तरह से boost की जाएगी कि if anybody will Google search your name, आपकी FCR की profile top पे show होगी. That's the kind of benefit that we provide. And after all, किसे बोलना अच्छा नहीं लगता that Google कर लो मेरा नाम और मेरा काम दिख जाएगा. It's going to be one fun journey and alongside आपको आपका participation certificate और sash की hard copies आपके घर deliver की जाएंगी. There will be social media promotions involved where individual promotions and posters of each profile will be released on all our official accounts and much, much more. But now it's time for you to know about how you're going to get to the finale, what the journey is going to be to reach to that crown that you've always dreamt of. So let's hear our director, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, talk about it with more clarity, because I'm sure crown to aapko online nahi pehenna hai. So she's going to tell you all about all the exciting journey that awaits.
Now that you've listened to all the benefits about this platform, about being a part of this community, let me just tell you कि वहाँ पे पहुँचना इतना आसान नहीं. जितने benefits आपको अभी हैरी ने बताए हैं, lifetime membership, you're going to be a part of this application of Forever Star India, आपको बहुत सारी training and grooming दी जाने वाली है. लेकिन इस सारे process में there is a time period that is there. It is going to take 3 to 4 months for you to reach there. Now let me just tell you how are we going to go there. So as soon as you receive your audition report cards and you complete your participation process, we will instantly be starting with your training and grooming sessions. Now, how are these training and grooming sessions going to happen? Are you supposed to travel somewhere? Are you supposed to stay somewhere else in a hotel? To your relief, there is no hassle of traveling anywhere. आप जिस तरीके से अभी Zoom पे अपना audition दे रहे हैं, in the same manner, you can just sit across the screen at your comfort spaces and you can be a part of these training and grooming sessions. ये trainings आपकी हमारे 150 plus experts हैं from this industry, which includes image consultants. We have fashion designers, we have fashion stylists, choreographers, image consultants, and we also have makeup artists. So all of these profiles, all of these trainers, they're actually going to work together in making you the best version of yourself. So look at yourself today and look at yourself at the end of these 4 months, that where do you see yourself? Now, these training and grooming sessions will be done in the afternoon and in the evening timing on the basis of the feasibility that you tell. If you say कि हम afternoon में busy होते हैं, evenings में free होते हैं, तो हम आपको एक evening batch में place करेंगे. अगर आप afternoons में free हैं, then we will be placing you in an afternoon batch. Now, once or twice a week, you will have to make sure that you attend these training sessions with the experts so that even the experts understand that what are the areas that really need to be worked upon. Gradually, along with these training sessions, you will also be appearing for your talent rounds. यानी कि पहले हम आपको prepare करेंगे, and along with this preparation, we will also be judging you. Now, this judgment will be solely on the basis of the progress that you are making. We are not going to compare you with any other contestant. यानी कि इन 4 महीनों में आप जो progress कर रहे हैं, आपकी personality में जो improvement आ रहा है, उसके basis पे आपको out of 10 score दिया जाएगा. There are going to be 3 jury members who are going to judge you. And again, इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम इतनी ट्रांसपेरेंसी रखते हैं कि आपको किसी से पूछने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि मेरा ये स्कोर क्यों है और मेरा कितना स्कोर है. You will be going to your profile directly and you can check your score. Now, on the basis of the score that you receive in all of these talent rounds, यानी कि 3 chances आपको दिए जाएंगे खुद को prove करने के लिए. और इन तीनों chances के बाद finally हम हर city से representative select करने वाले हैं, which means we are going to shortlist city winners, city runner-ups and city subtitle winners after these 3 talent rounds. Now, one thing is for sure, that even if you become a city winner or a city runner-up, you are going to come all the way to one of the most beautiful cities of India, which I call the Pink City, Jaipur. The finale for Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2022 happens in Jaipur at Hotel Marriott in the month of September. In 7 दिनों में आप एक ऐसा experience यहाँ से लेके जाएंगे, because you are going to be treated like a celebrity here. Even if you become a city winner, you are going to wear that beautiful couture gown, which will be designed by one of the best fashion designers in the industry. You will be dolled up by a makeup artist from this industry, right? And, you know, people are actually going to be here. They're actually going to interview you on stage. Now, all of this and all of this event involves a lot of preparation from your side. यानी कि ये जो 4 महीनों का time आपके पास है, I will only request sincerity and discipline from your side. If you put in your 100%, then these trainers are actually going to help you in becoming the best version of yourself. They are going to help you in identifying your own inner self. So let's just keep our fingers crossed. Let's wait for our audition reports. And I am hoping to see you in the training and grooming sessions. Thank you.
All right, ladies, I hope that made some sense. So I am now sharing Forever Star India's social media details into the chat box. You can find this video again on, properly on YouTube, our YouTube channel, and you will find it, आप आराम से इसे दोबारा सुन सकते हैं, because it explains the entire journey. And, like I mentioned, किसे अपना नाम Google पे नहीं चाहिए, किसे, who doesn't want to work hard and make sure they learn from the best of the industry experts. So that is us signing off, Team Forever Star India. Thank you so much for taking out the time today. It was an absolute pleasure interaction. And I'm looking forward to meet you all in the training sessions. Wait for your audition report cards, जो आपको 24 to 48 hours के अंदर WhatsApp पे भेज दिए जाएंगे. Take care. Have a great evening ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.